Comfort me, O Lord, when I am sad and lonely. Your strength to cover my weakness. Your presence is my assurance. Your pinions to hide me. You alone know my thoughts, what resides in my heart, my grief and my pain. The Lord himself watches over you. The Lord stands beside you. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon at night. He will keep you from all harm and watch over your life. To Gogo Dikeledi Msimang. No more troubles and sorrows of this world. The Lord has wiped away your tears and fears forever. He alone is your comfort now, your grace and love, and his light, forever your glory. Robala ka kgotso, robala ka kagiso. And to the Msimang family, be still and know that I am God. I will be honored by every nation. I will be honored throughout the world. The Lord of heaven's armies is here among us. The God of Israel is your fortress and protection. As GS Funeral Parlor, it has been an honor to come alongside you during your time of grief and loss. May your loved one rest in glory.